Naharoli Konjal Toram Tabiram Liba Marup Singbu Taram Hoksari Kurumjari Ngasigi Naharoli Konjal ki Toram da Housing Department of Law Manipur University da Haiso Digitavu Piriba Dr. Y Premanandaga Matamasigi Nahasingna Law Kangbagi Tangai Fadaba Haibahiramda Unaduna Wari Watai Saba Unaduna Wari Watai Sana Biriba Millennia Kwarakpa Mamadi Salim Pusam Ahanbada Ozabu Akui Akasvani Studio Taram Loksari Takasari Ozahan Boina Lamdamasigi Nahasing Suyam Tangai Vadana Kanga Bayada Bama Hypotaragadioza Ozadagi Suakuna Suyam Kanjaning Ba Rule of Law have a secret Sigi Matang that was an Kitambi.
A sing body rule of law have say phrase Haitareko Masigi Poche Constitution India either yaw with Nataba Quidusum Supreme Court case law power that the Ozasan attack period for the Masiki golden thread winner in the Constitution is the Yargale High. Pramani and a rule of law is a quina Kandushi, Adu Mamang, the quina rule of men as we labor Naishi, the iron salary is means alive in the table. Logi, but have to him in a napuni hibernida, rule of law has rule to do she loan to do in hibernate. That top the Haraga, no one is above the law has Can our mamma the law lady hibama. All are equal before the law. Logi hibernico million at Logi Mamang the Mimiams, Louis Manebo. As I saying, but the rule of law is a quickie basic constitution principle. English law the Lapani, English constitution the Constitution of United States of America, the Constitution of Indiana Sumasigi concepts adopt away Quinasu. Nahan but the British Missy. The king can do no wrong and in tone of authority, my matter the Kamishaloya, and in tone of Loni, man had the lawyer Habeneboko. Adu Matunda Hogi, Sir Edward Coke had not Chief Justice of James One Ring, my matam, James One Matam, Chief Justice Weramba, Sir Edward Coke, Nintoga Magasam, Mukneboko, Muknaba the Mana Tauba, philosophy, Nintoshu. God ki Makada, God is like, Ishogi Makada, Aduga, Logi Makada, like other and Mana, Zellian story. Other Guinea rule law, she told him among the Wayam later, Maharama and the Upania Saka the later, later Suku modern Waller Tulasi rule law, we give a quite credit, Sir Edward Cox the Pico. I do Matung Tarapa, a quite British jurist issue, A.B. Daishi and Ampawani, other man like me. My language the law and the constitution. 1885 the published over. Madudani rule of law is a carino is man nainere. Naineraga man has a rule of law is a port of home port Hano Posina, supremacy of law. Law is not quite a chow, law the chow like 3 and high. At the Amman equality before law inside Hijagido. Law in Mamanga, Mipum Punamox, some money Habasima, Anishuba. A home subada. Predominance of legal spirit had a legal spirit she a spirit the book plaki warate law is law second spirit I have a letter home labor legal spirit she Parks and Sando lay hands my told the manner a whom Jeremy hide the supremacy of law equality before law predominance of legal spirit and Haramba in the constitution sang agana article preamble the Horani in the AC preamble as a constitution he have packed over the preamble and I'm young we the people and how laga and the preamble see the Hore rule of laws the justice, liberty, equality, fraternity and higher neighbor she rule of law aspect of money. Are they Katam Naxalagana? A rule of laws, Kraya, with the Loy Baktiore, Constitution Hall 395 article labor, at the scheduled Kukitarane Tui labor, she Constitution, see the golden thread winner. Article Kodimok the rule of law, Yargo Leisure Veneboko. Other than Yang Kupsalagana, Article 14 ga, 19 ga, 21 see reflection of rule of law. As I equality before law, has Article 14. And the Article 19 see the 6th freedom lay. At the Article 21, the Kuitatan Hijaba, right to life and personal liberty, and no person shall be deprived of his life and personal liberty except according to procedure established by laws. At the Yoba procedure established by laws, rule of law to name. I know some Hijaga, rule laws, a Kaimnati, a quay rule Taurisi, law any hybrid. I don't know Pazabalonda Haga, who were so high, laws above you is. Means no one so might loom learning. Could on the Prime Minister's loan happy, President of India's loan happy, Chief Minister of Manipur's loan happy, and this Chief Justice of India's loan happy never call. I don't know. Some high with the rule of laws, a committee, a quid the Levang rule the Levang Apodo, Levang governance story, Masi, Logi, Pataki, Matuna, Tokodabadi, Hibernable. See them Pazaba, a quickie. Case of Makale, case of Homerle, a case of the Bartin, 1973, Indira Nehru Gandhi against Ras Narayan Hyder, 1975 Amaga, the ADM Jabalpur against akoi Shivakan Shukla in 1976 afau case ngakni aina haijai di kenobu rule of law si hojik di kamai lagan this is the basic structure of the constitution hai part amani hai na Supreme Court na Kesavananda Bharati just tarahum doini just tarahum doina phamba jam phangandi khwai yamba just 13 jine ba sidai de phanggi bani Kesavananda Bharati 1973 adugi case da hai si rule of law is one of the basic structure in the constitution adu masi India gi parliament bu amend to yaro de rule of law gi concept se adigi thangdaraga India Nehru Gandhi sida mu haira kaduni democratic form of government the parliamentary form of government the rule of law si ngaktaga di kaimda kanaroi and rule of law su thugai ba di haira kani ade mu kumtharaga ing sai jaki bdo akoi gi ADM di additional district magistrate ni Jabalpur gi Madhya Pradesh ki adu Shivakan Shukla case apawuni 1976 ki aina panjari ne kaina kanda akoi youth chinga apaw just maming ne panjadoi se mai maming se akoi gi justice HR Khana kawi HR Khana si just manga phambada maina dissenting kawi dissenting di majority du mana yadaba adu mana am phajaba numisida mana haihi akoi leibak sidagi law mayam loina repeal tawi tagasu leuri ba sarkar duna leuri ba authority duna law gi matung dum chalai ga dawne haidi kaino kana rule of law se phajaba na koi national justice haidana akoi gi mine semba law sidagi made wangba higher law nam leidi ba ko adu gi principal du ngaka da bani kaina mana pusale ba ko an hujigi case ka am phauge kana adu gi case du mana minority judgment piru be damakta India constitution semdu oga emergency gi matam da phauboda akoi gi article ani khudam article 20 dana right home yaure adi 21 the right to life and personal liberty ing haija gi bido moi ani si suspension to yaroi hairaka do Indian parliament aduna takpadi dissecting opinion mana piram buduna ngasi bawda India gi judiciary gi itihas da masi khwai di phawba hello justice hai khangni aina haija di rule of law si petribi gi bapum khudi makta rule of law sina lebak nga ka doini aduna huiba so high lo sababiu lo gi matungina leba ngakpa si tawgodone natraga di arbitrarily adi mi khran mai hums in caprics da totalitarian government ga tawrani adu warga di madu akoi democratic principle constitution gi against ane bako aduna rule of law si akoi puna ngakpa masi khwaidigi maru yana thamjani
yam nungai je oza na so hose rule of law gi matangda yamna masa khaina thambikre ado pakhata basite koina mu khangjaningi sina miyoiba amagi phangpham thokpa hakhaiba tare koina mayamna toina khangnabada fundamental rights haina khangnaba rights sigi matangda aduga masigi thaudangsi kari no haibadu su khangjaningi masigi matangda su khara thambiram
fundamental rights si koina maming dagi dum art si dum right haide ma haide fundamental hain fundamental haide kano kanda pot ani ni amana constitution da iraga yawre as a part of constitution oire aduga masi guaranteed right ne aduga masi constitution na sigadi pirabadi ko na guarantee tawrabane ade amana masi justice level di kaino kanda masi violate to the court chatlaga case thaba yani adu magi enforce taw yani ba ko na torko ni Supreme Court high court na adune ne ko ni fundamental right adu maru oibani kaidong maru oino ka masi guaranteed right ni constitution de enshrine tawdana guarantee taw lejarabani aduga masi hek violate taw matam da infringe taw matam da court chatlaga remedies low yani ba ko aduna ko ni fundamental right high ne ba ko ada fundamental rights kada di yoge hai matam da India constitution part mayam khai do budugi part ahum ya maru oi masi yam nakna bani amana part 3 hai fundamental rights part 3 kawi the part 4 nam yawi aduna directive principle of state policy hai ba the part 4a nam la kani aduna fundamental duties hai ba ahum ji pun samina ga da ne na fundamental right kisna article 12 tagi na article 35 oi ba aduga fundamental right ngai haija gi yam phajaba na ma di justice level hai di fundamental right am to violate to buta gi direct Supreme Court da chat pa ya do ni article 32 gi makha da and article 32 si kai no hakanda right to constitutional remedies hai si am phajai ji right piraga magi enforce to bu ya da gi kam kana dev aduna fundamental right amagi provision ama bu hek thugai ra ma ba Supreme Court da chat pa ya do ni article 32 gi makha da madu gi damakta akoi Dr. Bhim Sahib Ambedkar haidra father of Indian constitution jin haira mini article 32 si Indian constitution gi heart and the soul len ana fundamental rights akoi kup nei no matam da akoi na sumaina khaidoi right to equality have han mada masin article 14 dagin 18 the article yang khangwi the right to equality mathang da right to freedom mai article 19 dagin 22 adagi the right against exploitation si the article 23 ga 24 ga adagi right to freedom of religion article 25 dagin 28 po adi cultural and educational right article 29 dagin 30 po right to constitutional remedies si article 32 ma smai to na akoina fundamental right si 6th class the catalog ma semba yai ba ko adi madu loi maroi ba ngak tani mong maroi da amta yaudre sina tab right mayam su leiko madu state right kawi human right kawi fundamental rights constitution gi part the piramba right mayam du ko fundamental right kawi haidi ha khudam right to equality ang saije gi article 14 ga je 15 16 18 books right to equality kawi equality di mi pung khudi moksi law gi mamang da mane equality before law and equal protection of law is equality before law is adagi right to freedom si jo maroi right to freedom ai se ko maroi na article 19 ne 20 ne 21 ne 22 ne right to freedom is lakto is article 19 da sixth freedom akoi freedom is expression kind of right to peaceful assembly without arms kaiba right to movement right to move throughout the state to India right to settle any part of India adagi the right to form association and or union the right to take any profession kind have ko six freedom ji piram doini akoi gi sai gi right to freedom sida adagi di article 19 da article 20 sida amu akoi gi maru ina man ahum yauduni 20 clause 1 to 3 kawi constitution ba the article 20 clause 1 clause 2 clause 3 sakne ba ko clause 1 dana ex post facto law si leibe yaro ex post facto law di kaino aina offense ma taw matam da crime ma taw matam da ai je punish to ge hai ta ga di aina taw mikup tu da law ma leigadabani aduna ai crime du prohibit taw dong ne ba ko punish taw doine liable oi doine adu mat aina crime taw ga matung du semba law na aingon da punish taw ba yaro si doctrine of ex post facto law ko ade amana na sai doctrine again double zero pere di ai ji prosecute tawre trial tawre amu hanna taw yaro same offense aduma constitution guarantee taw kawi amana right against self incrimination haidana ai si nampu sasuda compulsion da aigi mayokta evidence pijaba yaro ebako almai taw pirami the article 21 di amaru ere article 21 si di maru oiba rights manung da khwaidi maru du ma mu oire aduna bu justice akoi mal lerami akoi my justice na hairami si article 21 is like a mine de khoi gi khoni pot mayam lok thok pa yabadu mine and whatever right is not specifically mentioned you can extract from article 21 hairami justice Matthew the power just samana haidi akoi environment protection adagi nupi gi right mayam constitution de yom da mayam se article 21 haidi right to life and personal liberty yam chawe my art hase right to life and personal liberty haji some right na ti masida akoi mi si live with dignity yaudo mi du mi na ti haini and mere animal existence is not life as you can live with dignity sine supreme court high ana madugi philosophy ni ana no person shall be deprived his life and personal liberty except according to procedure established by law high aduni right to life mi am right to life ne personal liberty si law ama leitraga di masi suk law thok pa yade mangondagi adugi portion article 21 ja 22 sina koi preventive detention adagi di sina koi gi right to freedom manung sanba adagi right against exploitation naidana mi exploit to yade forced labor yade ledna ko compulsory labor to ba yade masi article 23 24 da yaurani adagi the right to freedom of religion haina akoi learning dharma lobu yai adagi dharma se propagate to yani practice to yani adu force conversion di yaroi ko ai gi dharma se low haina force ina di yade mana masai gi with voluntary consent lobu di yai ama adugi right mayam sina freedom of religion oidoiba adi culture and education right haidana masai gi linguistic minority and religious minority si mayam se gi sumagi magi hetare right to establish education institute of their choice kind sumama culture education right pirami adu last ki right sina right to constitutional remedies haidana right che violate tobaga supreme court ki thong se khona kokok thilu yare supreme court da satlaga ai gi right violate tawre adu maksi right ne article 32 piri ne ana ai khambada ma siam maru en khali oza ai ngonda masai fundamental right article 12 ta gina 35 part 3 se pi masi maru ba humdang khanbi mai dang khanbi aina haidu si kwai fasa article 14 se equality before law and equal protection of law sima maru ere adi article 19 da sixth freedom ng haijagi bedo madu maru ere adi article 21 right to life and personal liberty hingbi adhikar adi khoi ningtam na thabak to bi adhikar letragadi mi on po kai garare and kwai maru berai sima oi adi article 32 say right to constitutional remedies akoi law da haga right to lerga remedies letragadi adu right to di phagi tar yoka tar haibane sidedi khoi any right violation di you can knock the door of the high court or supreme court under article 32 na supreme court adu 226 ki makhada na high court da satpa yane bako adu i post mi amaru ba aina in thamjeri
tongan ba lu kaya amagi matang so jana habiri ado oza makata rakpa sidi ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯠ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛ ꯅꯍꯥ ꯑꯍꯟ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯐ꯭रीडꯝ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯆꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ
ꯃꯁꯤ freedom of speech and expression ꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯨ ꯀꯦꯇꯂꯣꯛ ꯇꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯐꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯀꯜ 19 ꯗ ꯄꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯟ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯒꯤ 19 ꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ 6 freedom ꯂꯩꯀꯣ 6 freedom ꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ freedom of speech and expression ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯊꯪꯗꯅ right to assembly peaceably and without arms ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯄꯨꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ assemble ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ arms ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩꯒ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ assemble ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯔꯣꯏ peaceful ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ without arms ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ right to form association or union or cooperative society koi trade union ga semiba club sangsthang ga semi mem si loi bak sida singdoini the right to move freely throughout the territory India ba pum khodi makta freely chatpa yawi right pirame the right to reside and settle in any part of the territory India gi any jaga the India gi citizen man laibi yawi adhikar pibirame right to practice any profession and carry on any trade business kind of pirame sini article 19 se aduga kupsala kanda koi freedom of speech and expression has article 19 1a yam sangi 19 gi clause number 1 and the sub clause a the yawre pa sibo and article 19 1a hare samna khoina and maside pyramid si akoi freedom of speech and expression every citizen the pyramid guaranteed right ni aduna freedom of speech expression si yamna pak chawi ko akoina khalina freedom of speech expression si the press freedom yawre the freedom of speech expression is samjamna ngamdu nateba man lai represent to yani sharing be yani warning be yani cinema pothok be yani wari boko adi khabar di be yani so mayam si freedom of speech and expression ni part amane even government gi policy program bok man criticize to be yaga doini amasi freedom of speech and expression ni to bodabu every freedom is not absolute freedom khuding is absolute nati tong tawrena hekta pado to yadi society ma laini law ma laini aduna freedom of speech expression si akoi limit to be ai law na masi kadai yawge kan article 19 gi clause number 2 sida si yawrong gadoini masi akoina kai ko kada reasonable restriction kawai reasonable or mong the restriction tawbudi yani tawdabu pawdo tawbudi yaro masi tawge hagadi mana akoi article 19 2 sida iraga yaromi masi kaina kanda in the interest of sovereignty and integrity of India freedom of speech expression in India sovereignty integrity so kada ngangba yaro iba yaro masima adagidi security of state the friendly relation with foreign state the public order decency and morality ja maro ibani public order da kai gada ba decency da kai gada ba the morality da kai gada basi oirgadi egi freedom of speech expression du content da hon idandi phangane adagidi in relation to contempt of court hadna कोर्ट तारप रागी मथक ngang sakpa I basu yade ko civil contempt criminal contempt lai aduma defamation me the defame tawna me reputation sokna ba ina tawba yaro adi incitement to the offense na adi crime tawba da ina incite tawba crime tawna ba haiba khoppa lai na ko sumba singsi masi reasonable restriction kawi koi democracy sat pa laiba constitutional rule tawba rule of law sat pa laiba sida freedom of speech expression ji masi foundation ne basi yari ki my personal development ama tawna ba society sakho se haiga di akoi gi free flow of information akoi moina freely meeting sing ngang ba yaba thabak tohon ba yaba sigi right pigadabani haina supreme court haiba ko adu adum chumma mali tawdu subject to reasonable restriction number 19 gi clause number 2 the p do article 14 ne 19 ne 21 si golden triangle ne haidi kanabu equality gi clause ga ade 6 freedom gi clause ga with reasonable restriction article 21 the right to life personal liberty gi ahum ji tu na sakkadoini moji aduna moji golden triangle ni ko basic structure ni haina supreme court haide supreme court article 19 skematic akoi nga aga thami aduna mi sing si ma freedom of expression maximum the pigadawne tawdabu subject to reasonable restriction under article 19 2
yam ngai je oja maka tarak pa sidi akoi hojiki matam dai tare tongan bo social media platform sing da akoi Facebook WhatsApp da Instagram kaina na sing na maruina binary ba social media ki platform sing da online harassment ka da yam kan sanna khali da cyber bullying ka sigi matang da oja ofam kara tambiyo
cyber crime gi si maji koi catalog se mayari si cyber stalking haibam ne cyber bullying haibam ne cyber harassment ne and identity theft breaks and the violation of privacy terrorism haibam ga da gi revenge pornography na ha sing da kan na masi ju tawri an sigi mayam sigi India da comprehensive oiba law di laitri ba sigi ko du law khar lai maduna dum tackle to no honari koi na han ma da ina thamjani si anoba law bharatiya nai Sanhita 2023 adu mamangdana Indian Penal Code 1860 asigi section ga yauri masi nainaba chumeng khali ana section 75 sexual harassment akhoi da mingonda khoi gi demand sexual favor oiba adi pornography showing nupi da hanjana usanba adi sexually color remark mayam kumba singsi loin ba sexual harassment koi online da torsu yani physically torsu yani ba ko aduna si India gi oiba crime da pidi section mayam si equally applicable to khoi gi cyber gi war singsi loin apply tawne ba ana masi gi punishment si 3 year ni fine kan di pidi decide magistrate decide to duni aduga atoba section namana khoi section 77 ni akhoi gi bearism koi masina kaino kanda act of capturing image of women engaging in akhoi private act photo nam sem khang di video ni khang di tawraga adu na ta mana disseminate tor mayam thado raba adu ta ga di khoji ki bearism si tawri ne ba without the consent of victim du gi yaram dana that is the offense my punishment si han ma tawbodana 1 year aduga 7 year bu pi ba ya doi di masi ade amana section 78 masina ko stalking koi some mana victim si gi magi monitor dum tawdini saman kai ke cyber activity kai ke tawi sama internet ta electronic communication to ma loina monitor tawlai doini aduga mana nupi si koi gi na nupa si contact tawna ba khudam ha email si thaji sum thajale aduga whatsapp the message hajan thajale without response from the opposite party ai gi humble kano da to mi message thajala ba to mail thajala ba khona kharmana si normal ni tawsan da kala toksa gi ni ne ba soi offensive soi na nauri ngai da dictate ta horaga cyber crime unit ta kai da my case file ta holaga dingan ta na sum henjal lo mi do step by step sa tharak na hayeng phaktar khana habani da aduna adu gi posa kun khanga da bani masi stalking gi punishment je 3 year ni han ma tawbodana adu fine su phangani ma khanjan tawta ga di masi 5 year with fine si lakha doiba adu amana defamation go intention of harming reputation of the person ba sisu adum online tawba yai na ko message ma thagale khalo statement ama social media thagale khalo that's defame sahi ani imprisonment adu fine da ka le ga di community service adagi section 357 hana ama yawi criminal intimidation mingo se dab lang tawna cyber wars da ko ki hanna adu tawta di criminal intimidation kawi ha singi londa da blackman hai mas internet da tawta ga di madu magi imprisonment ne 2 year adu fine paisa kya no di court magistrate decide tawne 357 ama su lere anonymous communication hai da mas khang da mina ga ke no paka thajalak ba ko adu victim du ma ka kemta khangna da ba su ma sing si su adu adai henjan da ma simu kamai taw ga ha kan da khoi gi section nu su yawi section 74 hai na any word ama sound be yai getcher di mi gi sign taw ko mong mato phain se ba sum sa ba ade ke object khara exhibit ulaba adu mayam sina kamai taw ha ka mana women du na una na bhai obi en to wai na tabana obi sumai taw ga mana taw du sina ke no ga nupi du insult tawrani adu ga tin my modesty the insult taw ta ga di my privacy de disturb tawrum ta ga di madu crime da koina kai ko ga da assault or use of criminal force to women with intent to outrage her modesty ko ana si taw ta ga di masi minimum da 1 year gi imprisonment phangani crime taw nu pasi maximum da 5 year bu ma phangba ya doi sina bharatiya nai sanhita gi general law bale specific area de apply taw busna special law ko ba special law ma lei magi sina koina mayam ju khangbi ba information technology act IT act hai si 2008 sida so section ga yawri ahan bana section 66 C ai identity theft ba da koina sangor ga photo mi ma hapjalangum ba mi du amai oirangum ba smain taw si identity theft ni masi koi cyber hacking ju kawi ai account hack taw re adu punishable under section 66 C of IT act ki makhala madu punishment phangani adu madu 3 year imprisonment maximum da sidi fine ha sawi IT act sidi 1 lakh ki fine ta ba ya ade section 66 E dem yawri masina mi gi privacy da violator magi sai capturing publishing or transmitting image of private area of any person consent yaw adu ju punishment ni koi 3 year bo ma phangba ya ade fine ade amana akoi toina su masu masi thui section 67 ni makha da aina ya di kai no ha kan da publication di mayam da khangan ba ade transmit to mayam da thadu ko si viral chat le do viral chat ba phaba na te na option content yaw ba posi amana thagalam ta ga di madu su landi sna 3 year ni ma se fine ju sa ga ni angang gi na muk sathi ko angang gi sexual explicit oi ba content yaw ba 18 year gi bilos angang ka we child ni juvenile ni mo gi thagalam ta ga di different section am la ka ni adu section 67 B of IT adu de muk sathi taw bo do bu cyber crime ni ngai ta ba se victim du di leirani crime taw do ri ba criminal du di krai taw ri nu khangwai masa lot ka doi ni adu mayam lebina difficulty mayam di leira su safest way di police da cyber unit lebane ba cyber police lebane ba ko adu da FIR loss to bi ba da hojikti anoba law sigi anoba CRPC gi makha da zero FIR hadna aina Delhi de to crime du ai hidagi FIR to bo ya ne ba ko adu hay mana Delhi gi jurisdiction du ko na transfer to jaki ne ba ana masi mayam si naha sina khangwam change
yam nungai je ozana cyber bullying gi matang da mai leina ba lo kaya magi matang da yam phajana thambikre loishalakpagi matang sida ozana ekhoi gi thoram sibu tabiri ba naha sing sida advice haigadra maduma tang thambiram se
aroi bela ina haijening si ekhoi gi agul ibn naha sing ma phaba oisinu mo gi life ta ina khara advice hoi kari oisum haining si no one is allowed to take law into their on hand haidana mi karamtana crime tawba yadi law gi matuna tawbi sum haini ade everybody is supposed know the law haidana law khangde yadi ai law na smaina punishment pin ai khangde yaroi law da haisi mi pum khuni makse law je khangi na presume tawgreba law na aduna law khangde aduna aina crime tawne ha me swa yada law je koi khangmam thokpane ma koi bharat ki citizen oi ta gadi bharat ki law me koi khanggadabane ade ignorancia facit excuse ignorancia juris non excuse haisi nang na phek amaina du khangde hargadi ai sidagi nungama thomai haida nung du thomai du khangde nang yayaba nung na palaga mi shoga adu dagadi girbes harni dandi pigadabni adu di khangde yar law khangdabdi excuse tawde aduga phek khangdabdi excuse taweba law na sima khangbi tare aduga naha sing amaruina nogi mathak thongba adagi di oza gu ma kegum sem respect taw tare aduna aina khanbada ima ipa oza si summa se khoi mitna uba line do khoi hangi pawro haraga ana moina noibu sembi reini ay moina ahal lor kanda moi ngaklo mo noina oigadabane bo adi school da college da oza sima respect taw tare adu youth sing sina society da su moi responsibility layeba ai di moi gi life ni nungaina lengadabani life nang pi freedom mayam ji sinagadabani tawdabu society su nang responsibility lay society gi fabric si su nang thugairo dabane bo amom da haraga khoina school tamak pa oza na khoi da mahai hauji wa hawi bungo punsi su pu nungaina ba natraga na hauji da nungai thogera adu punsi su pu kapal lendoiba si gatani option khaliji satra nga da like tamba mama pan haibi inba adi oza na pi ba advice lawba adu mi oina kana honaba siam da kale aduga nangi right sing sin khangbom changi nangi right sin nang khangdragadi right sin nang protect to bunga moi aduga akoina tattan su haiba sima su khango kairo kanda think globally and act locally america wari to power russia wari power english ki wari power tarugum sung aduna think globally ni aduga tawdu ba thabak ti nang imungda nang state da nang leibak da tawdu ni aduna aina aroi da haining se think globally globally wakhalo khalu mobile sanau ade di television yengu internet changdana web mayam si google da kai loi thiu tawgum sung nang thabak tu afaba thabak tu nang imungda nang leibak ta nang laikai da tawdu ni
yam nungai jai oza gi chillaba matam ma ka topiraga ngasi ko gi studio da lengsen biraktuna lamdam masege na hasing na tangai badana khangdaba ya da lo singi matangda kara khazing nei na bagi tan jam pipi bagi tam oza bo akasbani infal ki mai ke dige haninga letna tagatsari hojik tavi kre Dr. Y. Premananda, HOD, Law Department, Manipur University ka matamasigi naharol singna law khangbagi tangai fadaba haibe hiramda unaduna wari watai saba unaduna wari watai sane wikiba Melania Khoirakpam amadi Salim Pusam Thoramasi tahanjakibaga loinana ngasigi oinadi naharolgi khonjal thoram santokchaba matang asida losinjari tabiram liba marupsingbo amukka hanna khurumjari